The Sulky 2021 Spring Mystery Box has arrived. Inside, you'll find 13 full-size products and a couple of gifts from Sulky. Valued at over $65, this mystery box is only $29.99 while supplies last. The items inside will vary, but you can be sure that you'll find an assortment of threads, best-selling stabilizer, and a sleeve of organ needles. You'll have so much fun trying out these different types and weights of thread, like Sulky Poly Light, bobbin thread, 12-weight cotton petites in a blendable variety, Sulky Poly Sparkle, Sulky Glowy, and high-quality, long staple 50-weight cotton thread. You may even discover some things you didn't know you needed, but now you can't live without. Grab your mystery box while supplies last.